little business here. Wow. Those new Toyotas, those new What's going on, JRideReviews Nation? Got yet another epic review for you guys. Do you want to keep those new Corollas, those WRXs, and those Honda Civic SIs in line? Well, I have an epic review, a competitor. I'm over here at Werner Hyundai Werner Genesis, and today I will be driving the 2023 Hyundai Elantra N. Yes, turbocharged from the factory. Yes, it's lowered from the factory. Yes, it comes with a 6-speed manual from the factory. And it comes with these awesome Recaro buckets up front from the factory. And yes, check this out. Manual action. And yes, JRideReviews can drive manuals. So I'm super excited to take this thing for a spin and see what it's all about. Can we keep the competition in line? We'll see. What's going on, J Riders? The moment we've all been waiting for. So I'm gonna take this inline out here for a spin. 6-speed manual. Can't wait. First things first, as long as you have the keys in your possession, put your foot down on that clutch. Make sure she's in neutral. She comes to life. Good sound from the turbocharged engine. I love the gauges in here. Everything is LED, as you can see. You got your drive modes down here. Everything turns red when you put it in sport. We're gonna start out in normal mode so I can get used to this clutch and the feel for everything. Safety first, turn the lights on, seatbelt on, ready to go. Let's go. Put it down in first, and here we go. JRideReviews. Reviewers, not reviewers. So first things first, you hear that exhaust. It sounds super good from the factory. This is a nice touch here. Let's go ahead and take it out for a spin. It's been a while since I drove a manual. I'm super excited. We're gonna get in that gearbox, baby. The clutch has a nice linear feel to it. Smooth. And here we go. Yeah, the gearbox has nice short throws. Man, I love this. And it shows you what gear you're in. I love the gauges. They're super clear. Once you get rolling, it quiets down pretty good in here. And I'll switch it to sport mode here in a little bit and see if there's any difference. Low road noise, low wind noise, as you can tell. Nice firm feel to the steering. It does have the inline mode right here for launch control, and it does have rev match if you press this button right here, this red button. So we'll go through all of that stuff. And I mean, man, Elantras have come a long way. My sister, my twin, had a Elantra back in the day, and boy, we used to give that thing the business. And this is just a whole nother level here. This is just a whole nother level. Never thought they would stick a turbo in this thing, but if you go back through my Hyundai Genesis playlist, you can check out my first review I did over here at Werner Hyundai about a year or two ago. I did the Sonata inline, and that was a automatic, but it was very impressive, very impressive. And also, there should be one in there where I did the Velostar inline as well, and that was a manual. So this really reminds me of the Velostar, and just the feel and everything from the inline model. like I say, yes, I do know how to drive a manual. Y'all hang tight, we coming up to a red light. All right, J Riders, we are back rolling. Let's give it a little business here. Wow. Yeah. Very impressive. This clutch feels really good. Turbo power is pretty real smooth. First gear is really long. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so I just turned rev matching on. Let's see what that does. All right, so right now I am in 4th gear. Drop it down to 3rd and see how that feels. Oh yeah. Wow, I love this thing. Ain't nothing like a manual when you're in that gearbox. So yeah, and under normal cruising, it's really smooth. Getting dark out here, of course. I love the LED headlights. They're brightening up the road up here for me really, really well. All right, let's drop it down. There's rev match. Let's see what she does. Woo! I love my job. I love my job. This is so fun, man. Hit that subscribe button. Hang around with the JRideReviews. Check out all my reviews I've done over the last 3 years. It's been an amazing run. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and thank you for my new subscribers as well. It's just been a blast. All right, we're gonna put it down in sport. As you can see, the gauges turn red. Went off of the red line a little bit. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all saw the gauges turn red or whatever, but it's pretty cool. I want to hear that rev matching. Let's see when we get up here to the red light. I mean, once you get rolling, this gearbox is super smooth. Super, super smooth. I mean, really is. It's just so much technology in here. You got the navigation in night mode, of course. You got the cameras all around. You got this nice LED screen. I mean, you just can't beat it. It's a value. There's the rev matching. Sounds good. Ain't nothing but a little heel toe action can't do on if you want to do it yourself, but I love the rev matching in these things. Flips the throttle for you. Yes, sir. And the exhaust actually gets a little bit louder in sport mode. All right, here we go. Woo, woo. Did you hear that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She is one mean mama jamma. Because it was so cold outside, I didn't give y'all the full review. So what I'm gonna do this time is go ahead and just give you a little longer test drive than I normally would. Kind of let you hear it. I know you can't feel it, but let's go ahead and give a little gap between the car in front of me. Here we go. Man. There's the rev mat. Did y'all hear that? Oh yeah. I love it. I think it can compete. What y'all think? What do y'all think? Go, nice turn circle. Here we go. Let's get a little boost here. Yeah! Woo-wee! Yes, sir. The truth shall set you free. Man, where y'all at, Hondas? Where y'all at, Toyota? We got here something here for you. This thing is sick, man. One more acceleration round. On throttle. See this rev matching. Downshift. Yes, sir. This is sick, man. Back at home base. Oh man, one day I'm gonna have a whole garage full of cars, man. Everything. Yeah, right. But anyway, just wanted to motivate you guys to keep going, keep pushing, don't stop. Whatever you love to do. I am literally living my dream of driving, being around these dealerships. You can't beat it. There's your camera. It does have rear sensors, as you guys can see on the screen. And we are done here. Motivational minute. Keep grinding. Don't stop. If you can believe in yourself, others will too. Once again, in conclusion, this is the 2023 Hyundai Elantra N, the real deal Holyfield. He is a competitor in the heavyweight bout. It is ready. It is official. Good night, good morning, good evening, whenever you're seeing this video. JRideReviews is signing off.